Alright, it is pouring rain at Playa Dorada beach in Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. It is 12:30 p.m. and I have 3 hours left until my cruise ship departs. And I am stranded here with the rain. But I thought to myself, but why do I need to stand under the palm tree? Because it is pouring then rain anyway. My stuff is already wet anyway. I thought I can take another swim here in Playa Dorada. The beach looks amazing indeed, but okay, now it got worse when I smashed it, but I will clean it up in the sea, Caribbean Sea. Greetings from Playa Dorada, this beautiful beach, the best one in Puerto Plata, but yeah, it looks a lot better with sun, I can assume. But I wasn't able to see that today as rain came in from nowhere. It was sunny in the morning when I arrived. You can see the previous episode as well. And yeah, I'm all alone now on this part of the beach. And, but there are a few people swimming, a lot of people swimming actually on that end. Probably cruisers that want to make the most out of their journey. So yeah, another episode from Playa Dorada, this time with rain. And let's then get going and enjoy a nice swim once again before I need to run back to the cruise ship. On the way back, I will not be going through the ghetto area on the beach. I will be going through the road, and it will be longer. So let's then go in for a swim at Playa Dorada Beach. The water is blurry. I'm not sure if you were able to see something. And now I realize that my shoes are wet. So I will be running with the wet shoes. And I really look forward to be back on the ship and to get a nice hot tub. There are 4 hot tubs, actually 6 on the cruise ship that you can go in for free, obviously. There is also a pool with salty water. Like when I got into the pool, I was like, wait a second, this is salty. So really amazing. Lots of amenities on the cruise ship, but it's also good to explore on board, I mean on shore. Not when it's raining, but yeah, hopefully there will be better weather in the following destinations that I will be exploring on the cruise tour. So thank you so much then for watching this episode from Puerto Plata, from Playa Dorada more exactly, on this rainy afternoon. And yeah, I will be swimming now a bit more here inside as it is still raining, but not sure if it's gonna stop anytime soon. But anyway, thanks a lot for watching and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.